Have you ever wondered why some parts of the female body can be much more sensitive than others? It's not just about touch. Nerves, emotions, comfort, and even the brain can all influence how a person experiences sensation. So let's count down from number 5 and wait until you hear number 1. Number 5, the neck. The neck is one of those areas that can be surprisingly sensitive. The skin is relatively delicate and many people can notice even gentle touch there, but everyone is different. So what feels noticeable to one woman may feel completely normal to another. Number 4, the ears. You probably don't think about the ears when talking about sensitivity, but the area around the ears has plenty of sensory nerves. That's why even a light touch can sometimes create a strong reaction. And here's where it gets interesting. Number 3, the lips. The lips are much more sensitive than most people realize. They contain many tiny sensory receptors that help detect touch, pressure, and temperature. That's why the lips can notice very small changes that other parts of the skin might barely detect. But number 2 is something you probably use every single day. Number 2, the fingertips. Your fingertips are incredibly sensitive. They help you recognize tiny differences in texture, temperature, and pressure. That's why you can often identify an object just by touching it even without looking. And now we've reached number 1. Number 1, the external genital area. This area contains a particularly high concentration of sensory nerve endings, which can make it highly sensitive to touch. But there's an important point. Sensitivity isn't exactly the same for every woman. Individual biology, emotions, comfort, and personal experience can all make a difference. And here's the real secret. The brain plays a huge role in sensitivity. The same touch can feel completely different depending on a person's mood, stress level, emotions, and sense of comfort. So there isn't one universal most sensitive area for every woman. The human body is different for everyone, and that's what makes sensitivity much more complicated and interesting than it first appears.